Hey drawing friends! Welcome back to Joss's Kids Draw. I'm Joss, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw and color in a basketball net. For this, you'll need some paper, something to draw with, and something to color with, but anything will work. I'm going to be using some computer paper to draw on, a black pencil crayon to draw with, and my Ohuhu markers to color with. Now I'm going to be using the colors 22 or French Vermilion, CG2 or Cool Gray 2, and CG6 or Cool Gray 6. Now make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down below if you haven't already. And now let's get right on into drawing. If you don't have your drawing supplies ready yet, make sure you pause the video and go get them. Also, make sure you have something underneath your drawing so that you don't get anything on your table. Now first off, I'm going to be drawing a little vertical line right here. Now a vertical line is a line that goes up and down, and a horizontal line is a line that goes side to side. So we're going to be drawing a vertical line, just a small one. And now I'm going to be drawing another vertical line right beside it, just like that. And it's going to be about the same length or height, whatever you want to say. Now next, I'm going to be drawing a circle. Not quite a full circle. I'm going to start right here on the edge of this vertical line. Go around. And then back in. Connect to that vertical line. Now this is going to be the rim or the hoop of the basketball net. Now inside that, I'm going to be drawing a full circle to really close to the edge to make the rim. Now, if I ever go too fast, you can always pause the video, do the step, and then press play once you're ready. Now I'm going to be drawing the mesh or the netting on the basketball hoop. So I'm going to be drawing a straight line down right on the edge. So this is a vertical line. I'm going to be doing the same on the edge, on the other edge of the circle. Just like that. Now I'm going to be connecting those two vertical lines, the curved line on the bottom. Just like that. Now, so that it looks more like netting, I'm going to be drawing a few diagonal lines, just like that. So a diagonal line is a slanted or tilted line. I'm going to be drawing these lines just like this. Now you can do as many or as little as you want, just whatever you think looks good or how big you did your net. And now I'm going to be doing some lines going the other way, the other diagonal. There we go. So now we have the hoop done. Now I'm going to be drawing the backboard of our basketball net. So coming out of the side right here, I'm going to be drawing a straight horizontal line. And a horizontal line is a line that goes side to side. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing on this side. So I'm going to pretend that it goes through and comes out the other end, just like that. Now I'm going to be drawing a vertical line or a line that goes up and down on the side of that. And I'm going to be doing the same thing over here. Vertical line going up. And you can make these lines as long or as short as you want, whatever you think looks good. Now I'm going to be drawing a line, a horizontal line to connect these two lines for our backboard. Now on the backboard, there's another little rectangle. So we're going to be drawing that next. So right here, I'm going to be drawing a vertical line or a line that goes up and down, just like that. Now I'm going to draw another vertical line over here, one that goes up and down. I'm going to try and make it the same height, although if it's not quite the same height, that's fine. Now I'm going to connect these with the horizontal line. Now I'm going to be doing the same thing over here. I'm going to be drawing a vertical line, except not as tall, and another one over here. And then I'm going to connect those with the horizontal line. And now we have the backboard done. So to finish off our net, we're going to be drawing the pole that goes down from the backboard so that the basketball net can stand up. So I'm going to go right here on the end of our net. I'm going to draw a vertical line, or a line that goes up and down. And you can do this as long as you want. You can do it right to the end of your page, or you can stop it part way, whatever you think works best. And I'm going to be drawing another vertical line right beside it for the pole, and I'm going to connect them with a little curve. Because normally this would be going into the ground or on pavement, or sometimes they'll even have a little stand that they'll go on. Now this next part is optional, but I'm going to be drawing a basketball that looks like it's going into the net. So I'm going to be drawing a circle right here. Now, if your circle isn't perfect, that's fine. Your circle doesn't have to be perfect. As long as you're trying your best, that's what matters the most. So once you have your circle, you're going to draw a curved line, just like this. Now I'm going to be drawing another curved line the same way over here. To finish off our basketball, I'm going to be drawing a slightly curved line to go this way. Now to make it look like the basketball is moving and not just floating there, I'm going to be drawing 3 little lines coming away from it to make it look like there's movement. Now you can leave your drawing just like this, and I'm sure it looks great. Or you can color it in your own way, or the way I'll be coloring in mine. So to start off how I'm going to be coloring in mine, like I said in the beginning, I'm going to be using my Ohuhu markers, but you can use whatever coloring supplies you want to use. So I'm going to first be going in with 22 or French vermilion, and I'm going to be coloring in our basketball, this little section here that we made on our backboard, and our rim goes all the way around. Now I will be fast forwarding this, but if you want, you can always pause the video, do the coloring, and then press play once you're ready to move on. Awesome! Now I'm going to be going in with CG2 or Cool Gray 2, and I'm going to be coloring in our net. And I'm also be coloring in right here because you would be able to see the net that's on the other side through that part of our hoop. Now, once again, I will be fast forwarding this, but as always, you can pause the video and do the coloring at your own pace. Super! Now, to finish off the coloring of my drawing, I'm going to be going in with CG6 or Cool Gray 6, and I am going to be coloring in our pole here. Now, like the last 2 times, I will be fast forwarding this, but you can pause the video if you want to. Great! If you like this video, make sure you share it with a friend so that they can draw this too. And if you'd like to show me your drawing, ask your parent or teacher to email me a picture to jossakidsdraw@gmail.com. And if your drawing doesn't look like mine, that's fine. Being unique is great. Plus, as long as you had fun, that's what matters most. And remember, practicing will pay off. So make sure you check out my last video, how to draw a sunflower. And stay tuned because there will be more videos coming really, really soon. So, I'll see you guys next time, and keep on drawing till then. Bye!